Did you guys practice in the morning alone, just with your thought, doing nothing? Having the clarity of thought first thing in the morning is very important, but that can only happen when you have time for yourself. You don't care about society. You only care about your personal profit, and that's the reason you are also not happy. When you're doing bad, only bad is coming to you. You can be a good person, you can be a bad person, but at least know that you are a bad person. Don't blame other people that you are a bad person. Your actions are your actions, not someone else's actions. You will only find faults in others. When you fast, your thoughts are very clear. You eat balanced diet, your thoughts will be in control. Hungry and angry are those people who are hungry once in life. Basically, what is real? The emotion is real or the thought is real? You cannot build a stronger mind without understanding your thoughts. You cannot control your thoughts, but you can manipulate your thoughts. Someone else's thought, which has no meaning, nothing, they share with you. Now it will show in your action. Understand you can mold your reality the way you want. Did you guys practice in the morning, staying alone? I mean, just with your thought, doing nothing for an hour? How was it? What did you feel? How did you feel? What happened? Peaceful? Yeah? Harris, how did you feel? Not calmer. Lot calmer, okay. Okay. And?
Some uninterrupted thoughts come in, so I got down.
Okay. Nikki, you? How did you feel? Sophie. Now, do you see, by doing this exercise, did you notice that how fast our brain work from the time we wake up, and how many thoughts are there? Now imagine, it's like a already jumbled brain. You go to work with this, you go to gym with this, you talk to people with this brain. When you yourself are unable to sort it out, and you start putting this weight of your thoughts on other people. Did you notice that? That how your actions will be straight if you yourself cannot understand your own thoughts. And you have so many thoughts first thing in the morning. How do you operate with that? For an example, if I am talking to you, looking at you, but in my mind, there are like non-stop, constantly thoughts are coming. Now, if I try to think something, I'm unable to focus at you. So I have to narrow down those thoughts and just focus on you, right? So imagine if in the morning you're just rushing, means those thoughts are like piling up every day. When those thoughts are piling up every day, it is, you're very rational. When you communicate with people, you're very rational. You don't clearly communicate. You don't clearly think. You don't have the clarity of mind. Because you just wake up and you just start shooting on people, on things. Just start shooting. It's always someone else's fault. It's always someone else's wrong. You just start shooting like that every day. And this happens every day. If you will notice that, the same thing happens every day. Be it with your husband, kids, parents, siblings, family members, colleagues, whoever they are. This is everyday routine. Because these thoughts, you don't understand that it's not them. It's you are unable to handle your own thoughts. You don't know what you want, how you will get there. You're just stuck. Because there are too many thoughts you're unable to channelize. As human beings, we were never supposed to just get up and go to work. We were not designed to do that. Our brain was not designed to do that. Our brain was not designed to do that. You were always supposed to work with after the sun and supposed to wake up before the sun. In that time, you were supposed to be with yourself and have a routine and process to get to that sun and this time and then start working. And work was always, you believe it or you don't believe it, work was always for two reasons only. First, how you build this society, this community better, how you build this world better. Second, by you doing that, how you can live better. None of those two things exist in today's time for your work. You don't work for these two things. You don't care about society. You only care about your personal profit, and that's the reason you are also not happy. Because it was supposed to come from you doing good. Now, when you're doing bad, only bad is coming to you. So you're not happy doing that also. Work was only for these two reasons, these two things. That what value you add in the society, and by adding that value, what you get, that you live a better life. Both the values are not there anymore. Why? Because you're unable to think properly, because you need to question, why are you going to work? What are you going to do today? I'm going to hire this person, or I'm going to fire that person, or I'm going to look for a job, or I need to do this, present this to my boss, or I need to run away from this. I need to apply for a vacation. I need to apply for the holiday. I don't know why that person is, playing such politics with me. I don't think I can deliver this presentation by this date. I don't know what I have to do tomorrow. I'm too busy tomorrow. Things like that. These are your thoughts, basically, when you're going to work. And when you go to work with these two thoughts, there is no value. You thought that what I am doing, how it's going to impact the society. You don't think. You just don't think. And it is a shame that you don't think. Because you are adding a lot of value without thinking, and that is going wrong. It's a wrong value you're adding. Because you did not think. And always remember, when you don't think, only wrong happens. Because with efforts and consciousness, right happens. And then you cry that why your life is not moving in the right direction, why it's not happening. Because the same is coming back to you. The value you are adding, same is coming back to you. That's why it's this exercise that you in the morning have right thoughts, have time for yourself, and let go of all that, the traffic of thoughts in your mind, and align them properly with your ideology, with your purpose in life, with the work you're doing, aligning that work. I can guarantee you that whenever there is a deal, whenever there is work, you only think about how much profit you're going to make, and never think about that what value is going to create in the society. And that is what is more important than your profit. The entire food industry will collapse. Social media will collapse. Pharmaceutical will collapse. If they start thinking what value they are adding, 90% of the businesses will be gone. Because you need to understand, every action you take, every work you do is yours or someone's thought before it has taken the shape of work. Before it was thought how to do this job, how to get this job done. Someone somewhere have thought about it and have done it, and that's how you're doing it. And if you are thinking that none of these areas and none of these things are working properly, because there is not clear thoughts, they're not thinking properly. That's why they're not doing properly. If they're not thinking properly, they're not doing properly. If they're not doing properly, no proper outcome will be there. हम लोग कितना इजीली बोलते हैं ना, सोच समझ के बोलो, राइट? तो सोच समझ के बोलने के बाद बोल तो देते हैं, ये बहुत, क्योंकि यहाँ तक इजी है. वी एज अ सोसाइटी वी जर्नलाइज और वी नॉर्मलाइज थिंग्स विच आर वेरी ईजी. सोच समझ के बोलो, क्योंकि बोलने के बाद ये नहीं होता सोच समझ के करो. सोच समझ के जो तुमने बोला है अब तुम वो करोगे, तो उसके लिए सोच लो, समझ लो पहले, क्योंकि उसका आउटकम आएगा कुछ. But for that again, I mean, you can be a good person, you can be a bad person, but at least know that you are a bad person. Don't blame other people that you are a bad person. Your actions are your actions, not someone else's actions. And your actions should only be in your control, because you are the one who is thinking about all this and no one else. So that is why having the clarity of thought first thing in the morning is very, very important. But that can only happen when you have time for yourself. Now you say, very busy first thing in the morning. That's what you need to change. Don't be busy. Because especially morning thoughts will make you reflect your actions. क्योंकि वो रात आते आते तक दूसरे का ही खराब प्रॉब्लम दूसरे में ही है, आप में कुछ नहीं है. जब तक रात हो जाती है ना, थॉट्स आर नॉट क्लियर. आपको पता ही नहीं होता व्हाट यू वांट, हु यू आर, व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन, and it's always someone else's fault. In the morning only you will have the clarity of thought if you focus, and then only you will understand these are your own actions and not someone else. You can, I mean, today you will practice that in the night the kind of thoughts you will have. You will only find faults in others. It will become very difficult for you to accept that it's you. That's why it's happening. But in the morning you will have clarity. Why? Because after the sleep, after you have slept well, then you will be less irritated, agitated, and you will be able to think better. That's why there's a difference between morning thoughts and night thoughts. That is why when you are trying to wake up, you always want to sleep, right? And that is why when you try to sleep, you don't want to sleep. Why? Because thoughts are fighting. And because when you take the blame on you, you will be able to sleep. When you blame someone else, you won't be able to sleep. Because गलती तो किसी और की, आपकी लाइफ कैसे खराब हो रही है उसमें? That creates a lot of anxiety. Because it's not your fault, na? It's someone else's fault. Then how come you are losing your time and you're destroying your life when it's someone else's fault? That's why people are unable to sleep. Those thoughts are extremely dangerous thoughts for your mental health and physical health. And by the time when you sleep and then when you wake up, that gap will make you see the reality better. That who is doing what's happening. I mean, did you notice that or no? That's why I said, na, if sleeping is that difficult, then how come when you want to wake up, you want to sleep only at that time? You should be able to wake up, because ऐसे ही उठना चाहिए था anxiety के साथ. सुबह उठते से कोई नहीं उठता anxiety के साथ सुबह, until unless you have seen a horrible dream, very scary dream. तो आप तो बहुत ही आराम से एकदम बच्चों की तरह, बेबी की तरह आप उठोगे और वापस से सोने की कोशिश करोगे कि मुझे तो वापस सोना है, I want to sleep again, I want to sleep more. So if you have a problem of falling asleep, then why you don't have that problem when you're waking up? You're still falling asleep at that time. Suddenly you don't have that problem at all. And if you go to a doctor when they are treating you for sleep apnea or sleep issues, they will not tell you this. No, you don't have any problem in sleeping. Because when you're trying to wake up, you're sleeping at that time. You have a problem falling asleep at night only, not in the morning. Because every person who has a problem falling asleep at night always trying to sleep in the morning when waking up. So it means sleeping is not the problem. There is just conjunction or conjunction, like a busy thoughts. Yes.
Okay, so for example, for me, I woke up a little early, 6:30 a.m. today, thinking that I might miss the session before my alarm. You know, before my alarm went off, around 6:30, 6 o'clock. I wanted to sleep longer, but then I woke up before twice actually, around I think 5:30. I think probably 5:36. Because I was pretty anxious in my sleep that I might miss the session, oversleep or something. You know, for me, waking up also sometimes is.
It's fine. Sometimes it can be like your thoughts are just unable to. You are unable to, have the clarity of your thoughts. Sometimes that can happen, but not, this is like a very rare cases. One in thousands you will find this case. But if you see all of us, you will not wake up, or anxiousness to that you have missed something, that is different. But not falling asleep in the morning, that is different. I am saying that you will fall asleep in the morning. That will happen. Anxiousness can be because of the time, because of that you have missed. That can be there because you have commitment. Especially when you travel, first or second night, you don't know that your body is not aware that you are here. It feels like you are there only, and it will wake you up with the same biological clock. It's a little confused. So these are different, rare cases. It's not the regular cases. That's how the flow of thoughts. The flow of thoughts. Also, thoughts play another thing. Since you have fasted the whole night, your thoughts are also clear because of that. The time you start eating, your thoughts start speeding up, because the more energy you have in your body, the more thoughts you will have. That is why if you eat unhealthy, if you eat junk, if you eat sugar, worse thoughts you will have. Junk food, horrible thoughts, because too much energy, and fast. And then you will blame that the whole society is wrong according to you. But you are the only person who is doing wrong to yourself. People who eat junk, who have bad eating habits, wrong eating habits, especially consuming sugar, salts, you ask any of that person, you will find few things are very common in them. Arrogance, number one. Like arrogance, नीचे उतरने नहीं है, उनको आसमान पर ही रहना है. दूसरी चीज़, it's never their fault. It's always someone else. And अगर ये दो चीज़ें वो क्रॉस कर जाते हैं, तो तीसरा आता है विक्टिम कार्ड उनका. बस वही है. पूरी दुनिया उन्हीं के लिए, उन्हीं के पीछे पड़ी है, उनके साथ बुरा करने के लिए. कोई इंसान उनका अच्छा चाहता ही नहीं है कभी. उनका एक विक्टिम कार्ड होता है. एंड दे प्ले दैट वेरी वेल. पूरी दुनिया सिर्फ उन्हीं का बुरा चाहती है, और दुनिया के पास कोई काम ही नहीं है. किसी के पास कोई काम नहीं है, उनकी फैमिली के पास कोई काम नहीं है, उनके कलीग्स के पास कोई काम नहीं है, सोसाइटी के पास कोई काम नहीं है. देन टू जस्ट अटैक दीज पीपल एंड डू रॉन्ग टू दीज पीपल एंड मेक फन ऑफ दीज पीपल. खुद अपना मजाक बना के रखा है उन्होंने, लेकिन ब्लेम दूसरे को करना है. खुद के एक्शन के लिए भी दूसरे को ब्लेम करना है. हमने खाया, हमने अपनी लाइफ बर्बाद करी, हमारे थॉट्स ख़राब हैं, हम कपड़ों में फिट नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, हम ढंग से चल नहीं पाते, बैठ नहीं पाते, उठ नहीं पाते, हम सही से बात नहीं कर पाते, हमारे थॉट प्रोसेस बिल्कुल गलत है. लेकिन वो गलती जो है दूसरों से हुई है, उनसे नहीं हुई है. वो किसी और की गलती है. एंड देन जब कुछ नहीं बचता है तो फिर स्टार्ट कर्सिंग द गॉड. भगवान तेरी गलती है, तूने मुझे ऐसा बनाया. तूने क्यों केक बनाया जो मैं देख देख के बार बार खा लेता हूँ. तूने क्यों बर्गर्स बनाए जो मैं जैसे ही देखता हूँ फ़ौरन खा लेता हूँ. गलती तो तेरी है. ऐसे लोग क्यों बनाए जिन्होंने बर्गर और पिज़्ज़ा बनाया. तो ब्लेम तो कभी ख़त्म होता ही नहीं है ना. आप तो हर चीज़ पे ब्लेम करोगे. सो दैट्स अ प्रोसेस ऑफ योर thoughts, how your thoughts are aggravated, process with food, without food, because without food less agitation. Without food flow will be better, because thoughts also works with your blood circulation.
You can see the fasting days also in the day, right?
Yeah.
The thoughts are so clear when you fast in the day.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
When you fast, your thoughts are very clear, because blood sugar is low. So when the blood sugar is low, when the BP is low, your thoughts are low as well.
Very calm.
The more you eat junk, the
Hyper.
hyped thoughts you will have. You eat balanced diet, your thoughts will be in control. You will think good only. अभी ये लोग सोचते नहीं हैं, क्योंकि ये सोचने से क्या होगा कि फिर आपको सही करना पड़ेगा ना. ब्लेम दूसरे को करना बहुत ईजी है, खुद से सही करना बड़ा मुश्किल है. फिर आपके ऊपर काम आ जाएगा. काम करना नहीं है किसी को, बस काम ही तो नहीं करना है. कुछ भी काम जो हमारे ऊपर आता है हमें चेंज नहीं होना है, हमें दूसरे को ब्लेम करना है कि तुम ऐसे हो, तुम ऐसी हो, लेकिन हम खुद को बदल नहीं सकते, वो मुश्किल है।
Then how come you are angry? You know, when you're hungry, you also get really angry.
Hungry and angry are those people who are hungry once in life. When you are regular, you practice it, you don't feel hungry. When your body gets used to it. Hungry and angry are the people who are always eating and sometimes they're not eating. Those are the only people who get angry, hangry. अगर आप हमेशा खाना आपको बराबर दिया जा रहा है, सप्लाई फुल है, तो आपको पता नहीं है हाउ टू हैंडल दैट हंगर. यू नीड टू लर्न टू हैंडल हंगर. क्यों बचपन से अब तो बड़े हो गए ना, 25, 30, 40 साल के हो चुके हो. अब यहाँ पे क्या सीखना है? सीखना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है इस टाइम पर. नाउ इफ़ यू लर्न टू, दैट्स वाई फास्टिंग इज देयर, दैट यू प्रैक्टिस फास्टिंग, दैट मेक्स यू कंट्रोल. दैट्स अ कंट्रोल दैट टीचेज यू कंट्रोल. इफ़ यू लर्न दैट and you eat as per your time and as per your requirement, you will have control over your thoughts, because emotions comes from thoughts only, na? How you feel emotion, because some or the other thought aggravates you before you start feeling that emotion. So basically, what is real? The emotion is real or the thought is real? Emotion, none of these are real. Neither your thought is real nor the emotion. Both are fake. Both are your own creation. Because you could not follow discipline and routine, that's why 90% of the thoughts are coming from there. अभी फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, अभी यहाँ पे कोई आया नहीं होता, वो वहाँ से उठ के यहाँ तक आने में कम से कम उसके पास 10,000 थॉट्स आ चुके होते. मैं लेट हूँ, अब लोग क्या बोलेंगे, कैसा सोचेंगे, क्या होगा. रियलिटी कुछ भी नहीं है उसकी. उसकी वजह से उसको एंशियसनेस होने लग शुरू हो जाती. उसमें रियल कुछ भी नहीं है. हो सकता है कोई कुछ बोले ही ना, हो सकता है कोई उस पर ध्यान ना, हाँ आ जाओ बैठ जाओ चुपचाप यहाँ पे, टाइम वेस्ट मत करो, कोई देखी भी ना उसकी तरफ. लेकिन उसके दिमाग में वो दोनों फेक हैं. ना तो उसका इमोशन सही है और ना उसके थॉट सही हैं. दोनों उसके कंट्रोल में थे. ही और शी कुड हैव डन बेटर.
Reaction to your thoughts.
Emotions.
Thoughts are a result of our emotions.
Yeah.
Emotions are a reaction to your thoughts.
Yeah, like it can go either or.
Actually,
Our
it could be
thoughts
correlated.
can, yeah, exactly. Our thoughts can cause a certain emotion, and our emotions can.
Yes. So, did you understand that what happens with the thoughts? And especially if you want to build your mind stronger, suppose if you want to build a house, thoughts are the bricks. You cannot build a stronger and a bigger house with weak bricks. It will fall. Columns, thoughts, situations, it will fall. If you don't have good quality bricks, good stronger columns, your house is going to fall. So you cannot build a stronger mind without understanding your thoughts. People always say, oh, I want to build a stronger mind, but they never pay attention on their thoughts and where it's coming from, how their surrounding is aggravating those emotions, and they are building such thought process. And if they have such thought process, they will only have a weaker mind. Yes.
Is it okay that you don't have thoughts?
It's impossible that you don't have thoughts. It's like a road with non-stop constant cars coming and going. How many thoughts we have in a day? 50 to 70,000. 50 to 70,000. How come you don't have a thought? So you are unable to realize it. जैसे कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, हम ऐसे देख रहे हैं वहाँ पे, हम बैठे हुए हैं, हमको लगता है हमारे पास कोई थॉट ही नहीं है, बट वो थॉट ही तो है जो हम देख रहे हैं. We can only see the thought.
How do you control your thoughts?
You cannot control your thoughts. It's a non-stop, constant process. You cannot control your thoughts, but you can manipulate your thoughts. You can manipulate them. It's like It's like, for an example, अभी आप लोग सब सोच रहे हो, can you see that red Ferrari shiny? You know, there is a cover on top of it, and they're removing the cover, and all the flashy lights, and now there's a lights are switch on, the headlights. I have manipulated your thoughts. That's how you manipulate. That's why it's very important, the people who spend time with you, because they manipulate your thoughts. And if they are constantly, oh, there is a new deal, or there is this offer, there is a sale going on, did you see this, did you see that, or you know what happened in their house, you know, I went there and this happened over there, this person said this to me, that person said that to you. So you are giving your energy in listening to these thoughts, and they are becoming your thoughts. That's how people share their thoughts with you. And then when they share those thoughts with you, and if they are just like useless thoughts, now they are making you also useless. Then it will convert into your action. Someone else's thought, which has no meaning, nothing, they share with you. Now it will show in your action. It's like I'm a pen and I have an ink. My ink is getting over. Vicky is giving me his ink, and I'm continuously writing. Before it was blue, now it's showing red. It's mixed. So I'm landing the thoughts from him.
Actually, right? Your environment creates, your surrounding creates your thoughts, and thoughts creates your action.
But that's the point I was going to ask you, like, is it you all are feeling more calm, relaxed, and all of that?
Because you
you
are...
have manipulated our thoughts
Yes.
from yesterday to today.
Yeah.
And that's creating that effect versus...
Yes, and also you are. I have manipulated your thoughts in the better. I have created a better, thoughtful environment for you. So, yes, we are physically in a good position, but I have created a mental good place for you guys, and also you have cut off from your actual life, from your world, where a lot of negativity exists. It's always a choice. What you choose? You choose living that life where it's always friction, always issues, always problems, or you pick this life, these kind of thoughts, and then you balance it. You overlap those thoughts with this. You take over those thoughts over there with this, and you want to live like this. It's your choice. The choice you make, the outcome you will get. One thing is, when I am giving you this much information,
Yeah, the changes.
it's some people can take it, some people cannot take it. For some people it's too much. Now what this information is aggravating, what my questions, like your family, your parents, these are very sensitive, you know, areas to trigger and to talk about. These are not, because once you go in that, like, you cannot even talk for 2 seconds, you start crying. Now if that thought is there, it will stay. If it was that weak, you would have never cried. That it will come and go. It's a strong thought from your past which holds your entire life, your family, your persona. You, from that thought you give to your kids. From that thought you're filling everyone's glass. It's not something small. It's something very powerful. So if that thought has been aggravated, तो ऐसे तो नींद नहीं आ
So
जाएगी.
constantly I kept thinking about Ramya and the sentence she said, and I kept laughing in my sleep, like so many times. It just kept coming. Like Yasir, you've always asked us to blame our parents. And then it
got that on
like,
camera.
that's what I said. It's not that I was like bad or good or whatever. It just kept coming in my mind, and I kept laughing. And then again, I would like so many things. Like it was like a roller coaster in my head. Sort of a thing. But then I did fall asleep, and then I woke up at 7.
Yeah. So thoughts are something which is, but this offloading your thoughts every day in the morning is important. And for you guys, just 10 minutes meditation is not enough. That you need to give more and more time.
It took me back to the time where, you know, I had my leg injury, and at that point of time I used to have difficulty sleeping. So that same kind of a feeling where something is like stuck in my throat and I'm not able to breathe. So again and again I was getting up and thinking like, am I breathing or not, or like all these kind of emotions. So it was taking a toll on me actually yesterday. After a very long time, because
okay.
after this whole thing, Alhamdulillah, my sleep has been so good, and I fall asleep very quickly. So it's one of the very unusual nights and I kept thinking why?
It's okay. As I said, that the thoughts are aggravated. When your personal thoughts are aggravated. See, again, it's related to parents only. Even if it's about Ramya, it's the parents' thought. So that's that's the core. It's not that what Ramya said, it's about something related to blame and parents. That is it like you trying to blame or you blaming the parents or something is that. Should we blame the parents or should we not blame the parents? So it's that thought.
And I have a question. I prefer this kind of the routine that you told us to do today, like spend 1 hour with yourself and be with your thoughts, versus the prompt in the journal and meditating on the prompt. Is it okay to do this on a daily basis?
No,
in the prompt
you can do that prompt also. See,
because I feel the prompt base aggravates me more. I feel like there's one more task on my task list and I have to now do 5 things and I have to task.
See,
this was calming me down.
If you had just joined Kaizen, you would not be able to do this. So I have prepared you. Now you're in 10th grade. That's why you know what time to come and what time to go. You have matured this much that you can be with your thought. If you had joined Kaizen and मैं आपको बोलता तो आप कहती कि तो फिर यासर हमने ज्वाइन क्यों करा है, आप तो कुछ दे ही नहीं रहे हमें. Then what do I? मुझे अगर घर पे खाली बैठना था तो ये कैसा प्रोग्राम है, आपको समझ में नहीं आता वो. मतलब हमने पैसे भी दिए और हमें घर पे फालतू बैठना है जाकर. Imagine if a program would be something like this कि आप घर पे फालतू बैठें, कुछ ना करें. Yes, we will order. अगर आप घर पे बिल्कुल कुछ करना ही नहीं है आपको, तो आपके समझ में नहीं आती वो चीज़. आप कहते हैं एक तो हमने पैसे क्यों दिए, फिर ये कैसा प्रोग्राम है भाई. वो तो हमें कुछ नहीं कराता है, कुछ बताता ही नहीं है, ना हमें प्रॉम्प्ट देता, ना जर्नल देता, कुछ नहीं देता, बस घर पे खामोश बैठ जाओ.
पीटी सर.
तो फिर आपको मालूम है मेरे बारे में कितनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें होती हैं और अच्छी बातें होती हैं. और people would be like in love with me head to toe कि भाई क्या आदमी है, चार्ज भी इतना करता है और कुछ भी नहीं करने का है. प्रोग्राम क्या है, कुछ नहीं. What is the morning routine? Nothing. Just wake up and sit.
But going back to what Bharika said, it's true because the prompt is like.
No, I'm also saying it's true. I'm not saying it's not true. I'm saying the same thing. But if you have not started Kaizen with that prompts and everything, you would not understand this. Because how will your brain is very kacha brain at that time. Your brain will not do this. Will not. आप उठोगे वापस से सो जाओगे. अभी आप उस लेवल पे आ गए कि yes, you can hold on to yourself and you can stay up and you can be with your thoughts. If I would have given you this in the beginning of the Kaizen, you would wake up. कुछ तो है नहीं करने को, वापस से सो जाते हैं ना. 1 घंटा है, जब कुछ है ही नहीं करने को तो आप सो जाओगे वापस. आप इतने रिस्पॉन्सिबल ही नहीं रहोगे कि आप कुछ करो उस टाइम में, क्योंकि आपको लगेगा कुछ भी तो नहीं है. और एक दिन आप सोचोगे, दूसरे दिन आप सोचोगे कि इवन बी विथ योर थॉट्स इज अ वर्क. इट्स नॉट नथिंग. जस्ट टू बी अलोन विथ योर थॉट्स इज अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन कम्स इन दैट. यू सी द मिरर. आपको पता चलता है अपने बारे में बहुत कुछ. तो 1 घंटा 2 घंटा अगर आप ऐसे बैठोगे और आप फिर धीरे धीरे से आप खुद से भागना शुरू कर दोगे. जब भागना शुरू करोगे तो वापस सो जाया करोगे और रात में फिर लेट सोगे उसकी वजह से, क्योंकि सुबह तो नींद पूरी हो ही रही है. 2 घंटे का टाइम है, कुछ करना है नहीं उसमें. यासर को पता भी नहीं चलेगा क्या करा. अब मैं थोड़ी ना आपके थॉट्स में घुसूंगा जाकर और देखूंगा हाँ तुम यहाँ कैसे घूम रहे हो, ये तुम ड्रीम में कैसे आ गए, तुमको बोला था जागने का है, राइट. सो आई कैन नॉट होल्ड दैट.
But you do that also.
What are these nighttime stories for kids and all? It's a manipulation of the thought. And manipulation is not bad if intent can be bad. Manipulation is an art. Manipulation is an art. Intent of that manipulation can be bad. Some people say, oh, you're very manipulative. So I am very manipulative in a good way.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine one of my close person got a cancer or something, God forbid, but something wrong, disease or something happened. So what should I say every day? Yeah, you are going to die in 2 months now.
No.
You will be dead in 2 months. In 2 months time, you have nothing, no life left now. This is what you have now. So I will say nothing will happen, right? I will be manipulating the thoughts. Don't worry. Life is beautiful. Live in this. Nothing will happen to you. I will not let anything happen to you. I mean, that's all I can say. And that is manipulation. When kids fall, suppose you have a child and the child falls, अरे वो चींटी मर गई, तो झूठी तो बोल रहे हो भाई, उसको मालूम है तुम ढंग से नहीं चल रहे थे, तुम गिर गए, तुम्हारे लग गई, और तुम्हारे यहाँ पे देखो ये नी पे छिल भी गया, उस पर खून भी आ रहा है. अब ऐसा बोलोगे आप उसको, बच्चे को ऐसे थोड़ी आप उसको हक करो, अरे कुछ नहीं हुआ, इट्स नथिंग, यू आर वेरी स्ट्रांग, वो तो ज़मीन कच्ची है, देखो ज़मीन तोड़ दी तुमने तो इतने स्ट्रांग हो तुम. आपने मैनिपुलेट कर दिया उसको. तो बेसिकली आपको मैनिपुलेशन, इंटेंट कैन बी रॉन्ग, मैनिपुलेशन इज एन आर्ट. एंड एवरी पेरेंट, if you think manipulation is bad, every parent is a manipulator.
Yeah.
Every parent is a manipulator. So if they have a good intent, they will manipulate in good way. If they have, but that's the thing, there are many things like support system also. People always say, oh, they are my friends, they're my support system. Yeah, all the good you have is because of them only. But all the bad you have is because of them. So support can be good and bad. What is the intent? That is more important. Not any just particular word. Support system can be very harmful because for bad also you need support. For good also you need. I mean for bad के लिए तो आपको कंपनी चाहिए ही चाहिए शुरुआत करने के लिए एटलीस्ट. हो सकता है आगे चल के आप अकेले करना शुरू कर दो, लेकिन शुरुआत तो सबके साथ ही होती है, दूसरों के साथ, अकेला नहीं करता. तो सारी बुराइयों की शुरुआत ही दूसरों के साथ होती है. अच्छाई के लिए आप अकेले रह जाते हो बाद में. So that is all. So intent is more important than you being manipulative or whatever. क्योंकि आज जो है ये जितनी भी काउंसलिंग्स, थेरेपी और ये जो क्या रिलेशनशिप काउंसलिंग जो थेरेपिस्ट होते हैं, ये बड़े इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हैं. अरे वो मैनिपुलेटर है, या शी इज़ डूइंग दिस और ही इज़ डूइंग दैट. उनके टिपिकल वर्ड्स हैं ये सारे, जबकि वो खुद ही आपको बैठ के मैनिपुलेट कर रहे हैं. दे देमसेल्व्स आर मैनिपुलेटिंग यू एंड नॉट टेलिंग यू द ट्रूथ. मेरे पास एक केस आया था, वन ऑफ माई क्लाइंट, ही गॉट हिज डॉटर टू मी, वेरी यंग डॉटर, 13-14 years old.
Where in Dubai?
हाँ, सबसे ज़्यादा दुबई में. और उसके बाद बोला कि वो दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग. इसके काउंसलर ने इसको बोला है कि she has some mental health issues and she needs to take these counseling sessions every day. तो मतलब not every day, every week, like 10 sessions, 15 sessions, something like that, and it's free from the school side. So मैं लेकर आया आपके पास कि what is this. तो मैंने उससे बात की, she's a normal girl. तो मैंने कहा but why did you go? So I had an anxiety while I was because my exams were coming, so my teacher referred me to this counselor. तो मैंने कहा तो एंजाइटी, क्या एंजाइटी थी? आई वॉज जस्ट वरीड कि मेरे एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं और मैं पास नहीं होंगी. तो मैंने कहा तो किसको नहीं होती है वो? किसको ये पता है मेरे एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं और मैं तो पास ही होऊंगा? और जिसने पढ़ाई नहीं करी उसको तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं होता है. और 99% लोग होते हैं जिनको कि ये होता है, ये फीलिंग है कि मैं पास नहीं होऊंगा. इवन जिसने पढ़ाई करी उसको भी यही फीलिंग कि पास नहीं होगा वो, तभी तो एग्ज़ाम देगा. अगर उसको पता है पास होगा तो एग्ज़ाम देने की ज़रूरत क्या है, इतना ही कॉन्फिडेंट हो. अगर सिर्फ ये एंजाइटी थी कि बिकॉज ऑफ माई एग्जाम आया, तो मैंने कहा बट दैट इज़ नॉर्मल, यूर सब एंड दिस इज़ यूर सपोज टू फील एंड गो थ्रू इट. अगर उसमें किसी ने सपोर्ट कर दिया तो लाइफ में तो पता नहीं कितनी ऐसी एंजाइटीज़ आने वाली हैं. अभी मैं प्लेन में उड़ी और पता नहीं मैं लैंड करूँगी कि नहीं करूँगी, बीच में प्लेन ना कुछ हो जाए कहीं. मैं गाड़ी चला रही हूँ तो क्या पता मेरा एक्सीडेंट ना हो, फिर तो हर कदम कदम पे एंजाइटी है. ये छत ना गिर जाए, कई लोगों को ये फील्स होती है, पता है, दीज थिंग्स कि आई वाज सिटिंग देयर, आई फीलिंग लाइक कि मुझे एंजाइटी है कि ये छत ना गिर जाए मेरे ऊपर. इट्स यस एंजाइटी. तो आप हर थॉट एंजाइटी बन जाएगा ना. एवरी थॉट विल बिकम चैलेंजिंग फॉर यू एंड दैट्स व्हाट द एंजाइटी इज. अभी आप सोचना शुरू करो 2 मिनट के लिए सब कुछ नेगेटिव. अभी अभी आपको हैवीनेस लगना शुरू हो जाएगी। अभी आप सोचो कि पीछे से कुछ आए और ये गिर जाएगा, अभी हम लोग बाहर जाएंगे तो आपके ऊपर पेड़ गिर जाएगा, कुछ गलत हो जाए, कुछ बुरा हो जाएगा, यू विल फाइंड दैट यू आर अनएबल टू ब्रीथ। कि जब मैं आपको अभी ये बोल रहा हूँ उसके बारे में ना, आई एम फाइंडिंग दैट आई एम अनएबल टू ब्रीथ, इट्स हैवीनेस इज ऑन मी। तो ये काउंसलर्स तो आपको यही चीज़, अरे इट्स ओके एवरीथिंग, एंड देन दे विल मेक यू फील गुड। नाउ यू आर हुक्ड ऑन टू दैट। नाउ you always want to feel good. You always want to feel good. What is the difference between solitude and loneliness?
You're happy with your being yourself when you're alone.
So, while you are being alone, you have no one. In solitude, you have no one.
But one is positive and the other is negative.
And
one is our
feeling
choice.
happy and the other
So
feeling
in solitude, you have yourself. So you have two. One is you, and one is your better version. That who you want to become and what you have. So you have reflections of what you're doing, and that's very, very important. The people who are always confused, they are the ones who always run away from their own themselves. They don't have themselves. They always operate from the externals. That's why solitude is very important, to get to know who you are and what you do and how to improve yourself. And how not to put a blame on others for your mistakes. We are going to this is the 5-day worksheet, and we are going to take 1 day for each work. We are going to cover manifestation, visualization, daily program to master your life. So overview is, you are the architect of your reality. Now understand, you can mold your reality the way you want. I tell you one thing, there are many people ask me this one question. Yeah sir, if people bother you so much, why you still work with them? Why don't you just let them go? Just let them be. Or why do you care so much? Why do you want to give results? Or why do you, they have become your client, they have paid you. It's okay. Now it's not your problem. You can just tell them what to do, what not to do. If they listen, it's okay. If they don't listen, you have done your job and just let go of it. The problem is that I am the architect of my reality, right? I pick these fights. I pick these fights because if anything what I want, it will not convert into a reality through these results. My thought process and my mindset will not convert into a reality. Because what I want can only convert into a reality through results I give. Through lives I have changed or I am changing. If I don't have them, my thoughts will only stay with me. It will not convert into a reality. That is why, yes, it's very hard, it's very difficult, and this is my fight until I want it. But if I don't want it, I have no gain. If I decide that no, this is not what I want in my life, I have zero gain. There's nothing else that people can add anything, any kind of support, any kind of help in my life. Until they are listening and following what I want, and they are growing in that direction, they are living, they are becoming better, they are growing better, and they are creating that good society, healthy society, stronger minds, mental health, physical health. Until they are creating, this is what I want to do, because that's what I expect from myself also, and the same I expect from people. If they are unable to do that, then I have to pull just myself out of that equation. And many of you know me since very long. The people who stay with me and they are close to me are the ones who are doing it. There is no one else. So I don't follow like the norm, which is like my family or my friends, or I have grown up with these people. So anyone who is mine are the ones who follow this, my ideology. Otherwise, it was not my choice to have this family, or it was not my choice to grow with these kids or these people. If it was not my choice, but now is my choice. I will make my choice. So that's why you are the architect of your life, of your reality. This program helps you deeply reflect, visualize, and create actionable steps towards the life you desire. That's what I have done. So that you hold control and you know what is right and wrong in your life. Clarity is the foundation of transformation. Goal: analyze your current reality to understand your starting point. Now, I know we will have breakfast. Try to stay quiet as much as you can. Talk less as much as you can, because this work is going to be something in depth. So stay with your thoughts and work on this. So what all? Clarity is the foundation of transformation. The goal of today is analyze your current reality to understand your starting point. This is today's goal. Analyze your current reality to understand your starting point, because we are starting something from here. Now, number one point which you need to write down, I mean, I'll give you one main point, then there are bullet points you need to answer. You need to write answers for these bullet points. So number one is self-reflection. This is the heading, self-reflection. Now question one is, write down what you love and don't love about yourself. What you love and don't love about yourself. This is the question one. And you need to write details of everything to have a clarity of mind. Your physical appearance. Question 2. So, sorry, the first one is you're going to write down these points. Now, physical appearance is the first question. First point is write down what you love and don't love. Now the question starts. So, physical appearance is the first question. Now you will write down about your physical appearance, that how your physical appearance is. Second is your habits. Example: eating, movement, sleep, screen time, social habits. Your habits. Example: eating, movement of your body, sleep, how well you sleep, screen time, your social habits.
So to write what we love and what we don't love.
Yes. Yeah. The detail that my habits are this. I eat like this. I move my body this way. I sleep this much. My screen time is this much. Social habits are like this. I'll give you more now. Then you will write, why do you make money? Relationship. No, it's the same. Relationship with money. Relationship with people. ये सारे उसमें आप बताता हूँ आपको. Relationship with money, relationship with people. Now, in this only, same one, relationship with people without money.
With the same word.
Without money means we don't have money or they don't have money.
Either way.
Without the intent of money.
Without the intent of money, then relationship कैसे हैं आपके? जहाँ पे पैसा नहीं है.
Basically non-business oriented.
Non-business relations. Then उसी के अंदर एक और आएगा. Relationships with people and relationships, I'm phrasing it, relationships with people, relationships with people and how it reflects in your failures in life. And successes or achievements.
Can you explain this question?
So relationships with people, for an example, you have father, mother, brother, sister, close family. उनका आपका रिलेशन उनके साथ कैसा है कि वो रिफ्लेक्ट करता है आपके फेलियर्स और अचीवमेंट्स में, सक्सेस में.
Does it go back to like Ranas's point of like Like sometimes
Yeah, could
the
be, yeah.
parents have not tried.
Yes, yes. For an example, if you live in a house where there's no routine, there's no discipline, and you were a great athlete, you needed to sleep, right, for your recovery. But just because your dad was a heavy drunker or whatever, वो तो उसकी वजह से घर पे रूटीन नहीं था. He always came late. He always made a tamasha out of every equation. Everything was, and lots of celebration. Like there was no routine only. हर चीज़ आपके घर में ईद, बकरीद, दिवाली, होली, ये वो जितने भी 365 त्यौहार होते हैं हमारे यहाँ, वो सारे आपके घर में सेलिब्रेट होते थे. बिकॉज योर फैमिली लव्ड सोशलाइजिंग. तो आपका जो एक एथलीट बनने का जो एक ड्रीम था वो बर्बाद हो गया. अब आप आज हैं 45 साल के. आज आप उसमें जी रहे हैं कि मैं इतना अच्छा रनर था, लेकिन मेरी फैमिली की वजह से मैं कभी सो ही नहीं पाया. विच इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल रीज़न दैट यू विल नॉट बिकम अ एथलीट. लात मारो, फैमिली को आगे बढ़ो लाइफ में, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर एथलीट्स ने यही करा है. अपने घर सबने छोड़े तभी वो कुछ बन पाएँ. घर में माँ की गोद में अगर बैठे होते तो वहीं खेल रहे होते घर आंगन में. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द एथलीट्स लेफ्ट देयर हाउस होल्ड फॉर दिस रीज़न. देन ओनली दे बिकेम एथलीट्स.
To add, does it also mean that how's my relationship with my somebody, and when there was no money and now that there is money, do you want to cover both?
यू नीड टू कवर बोथ. जब था पैसा या जब पैसे को अलग हटा के देखो ना बस. अगर आप पैसे, फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल हम दोनों दोस्त हैं एंड यू गेट मी वेरी गुड डील्स. लेट्स से यू गेट मी अ लॉट ऑफ क्लाइंट्स, और मैं आपसे बहुत अच्छे से मिलता हूँ, हम बाहर जाते हैं, पीते हैं, खाते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं, और आपकी वजह से बहुत क्लाइंट भी आते हैं. अब मैं देखूँ कि आपकी वजह से मुझे कोई क्लाइंट ही नहीं मिल रहा है, तो फिर मैं आपके साथ कैसा हूँ? दैट्स द एक्चुअल रिलेशन ना. तो ये तो वर्क रिलेशन है हमारा. अगर मैं वर्क रिलेशन को हटाऊँ तो फिर मेरा रिलेशन कैसा है आपके साथ? मुझे कोई पैसे का फ़ायदा ही नहीं है आपसे. देन विल आई स्टिल टेल यू व्हाट यू शुड डू? विल आई स्टिल टेल यू वर्क ऑन योर रूटीन? और विल आई स्टिल guide you in the right way, right path? Will I still tell you कि wear this cloth, wear that clothes? Will I still say कि यार तुम वो जो कर रहे हो उसके अंदर अगर तुम ऐसा करोगे ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा तुम्हारे लिए? मैं तब भी इतना इन्वेस्टेड हूँ कि नहीं हूँ. वो रिलेशंस हैं जहाँ पे ये सब चीज़ें हैं ही नहीं और सिर्फ आपको पैसा ही पैसा 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 है. या तो वो रिलेशन बचता है, या फिर दूसरा रिलेशन एक और है, रिलेशन, ये भी लिखो, रिलेशन विथ योर लव्ड वंस और क्लोज वंस. मैं लव तो पता नहीं बोलूँगा, हेटेड वंस हो जाते हैं, सब तो लव्ड वंस नहीं होते. जिसके साथ भी है रिलेशन विथ योर क्लोज वंस एंड how their habits impact your life.
But that's similar to the
Yeah,
previous
earlier.
one.
वो जो सक्सेस एंड फेलियर्स वाला, लेकिन मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. और क्योंकि ये इस दिस वर्क यू कैन नॉट लीव एनीथिंग. क्योंकि जो भी आप गोल सेट करोगे ना, अगर मैंने एक कॉर्नर छोड़ दिया तो वो कॉर्नर आके सब आपके गोल को बर्बाद कर देगा. इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर लाइफ, देयर हैबिट्स, देयर इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर लाइफ. Okay, then now this is the another question. Your mindset, example, thoughts, anxieties, or external influences. Yeah, this is the next question.
So this is also under what you love and don't love about yourself?
No, this is a different question now.
Oh, this is not.
हाँ, ये नहीं. What you love and don't love, उसी में है ये. उसी में आ रहा है. उसी में है. Your mindset, example, thoughts, anxieties, or external influences. Your thoughts, anxieties, or external influences. Yeah, this is the mindset. ये mindset related है. Now another one, your surroundings.
In the same question.
Question 2, question
ये
It's all
question
under
1, 2, 3. This is the fourth question है ये fourth question है अभी.
for me. Fifth.
नहीं, वो मैंने जो शुरू के 2-3 थे वो एक साथ ही थे ना. ठीक है, वो इट्स ओके, क्योंकि आंसर सबका एक ही आएगा.
What is this?
आपको लिखना अभी योर सराउंडिंग. नाउ इन दिस सराउंडिंग आई एम नॉट ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट पीपल, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द वॉल्स ऑफ द हाउस, द कलर ऑफ योर वॉल्स, कर्टन्स जो आपके यहाँ लगे, आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम क्या है,
फिजिकल सराउंडिंग,
हाँ, हर तरह की सराउंडिंग, आपकी सोशल मीडिया सराउंडिंग क्या है, आप किस तरह के लोगों को फॉलो करते, किस तरह के लोग आपको मैसेजेस करते हैं, कहाँ वो आपको एग्रीवेट करते हैं और कहाँ वो आपको वैलिडेट करते हैं, किस तरह की आप न्यूज़ देखते हो, आप किस तरह की मूवीज़ देखते हो, किस तरह की आप बुक्स पढ़ते हो, ये सब आ जाएगा इसके अंदर। ये सब सराउंडिंग है ना। होम, रिलेशनशिप्स, नेचर, social settings, all this is surroundings. Nature, yes please, thank you. Thank you. So this one is like nature, means in which environment you live in, the kind of environment you have.
That's
right?
surrounding, right? Surrounding nature same.
Yeah, ये सब सराउंडिंग में है ना। एंड ऑल्सो फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, हम लोग जहाँ पर रहते हैं वहाँ पर फेक प्लांट्स, फेक ट्रीज, फेक दिस, फेक दैट बहुत है, राइट? तो आप क्या साबित क्या करना चाहते हो उसके अंदर? जहाँ पर फेक प्लांट्स और सारी चीज़ें, ये तो सिर्फ डेकोरेशन के लिए है ना, तो नेचर को कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है उससे, नेचुरल फ़ायदा कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है आपको, तो साबित आप करना क्या चाह रहे हो? तो वो भी एक क्वेश्चन है कि भाई हम क्या चाहते क्या हैं, इससे क्या होगा? मतलब फेक अपने आप को तसल्ली दे दो बस, हाँ हमारे घर में भी पेड़ हैं, लेकिन वो कैसे पेड़ हैं, वो उनका कुछ फ़ायदा ही नहीं है, प्लास्टिक के लगा दिए सब उठाकर। तो लाइफ की रियलिटी जो है उसको समझने का बोल रहा हूँ मैं। देन यू हैव अनदर वन इन द सेम, योर हेल्थ एंड एनर्जी लेवल्स, एक्स, पेन्स, फिटनेस, योर हेल्थ एंड एनर्जी लेवल्स, एक्स, पेन्स, फिटनेस, इंजरीज,
Fitness. Fitness.
This all we have to complete today or 5 days?
सब आज है। एंड फिटनेस अभी तो अभी और है।
Extra books?
वेट
Does this include mental health as well or just?
या सब कुछ आएगा अभी इसमें। मैंने एंजाइटीज करे ना पहले योर माइंडसेट में, उसमें मेंटल हेल्थ आ गए। नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट सब हेडिंग में आपने डाला था सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन वर्कशीट, पहला सब हेडिंग था, राइट? अभी दूसरा सब हेडिंग डालो, जर्नल प्रॉम्प्ट्स। सेकंड सब हेडिंग जर्नल प्रॉम्प्ट, व्हाट डू आई अप्रिशिएट अबाउट माय करंट सेल्फ एंड लाइफ। अप्रिसिएशन के अंदर आएगा ये, व्हाट यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर एंड योर करंट सेल्फ
Sorry,
एंड
can you
लाइफ।
repeat?
व्हाट डू आई अप्रिशिएट अबाउट माय करंट सेल्फ एंड लाइफ। सेम सब हेडिंग के अंदर ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन है,
About myself?
Current self
and life.
एंड लाइफ। दूसरा है, व्हाट एम आई टॉलरेटिंग दैट नो लॉन्गर सर्व्स मी,
Is this a separate question or it's under it?
अंडर द सेम जर्नल प्रॉम्प्ट।
What am I tolerating?
What am I tolerating that no longer serves me?
includes people as well, right?
100%.
Serves me.
उन्हीं को तो निकालना मुश्किल होता है ना।
Yeah, mostly people. Journal.
General forms, not journal.
I also wrote journal.
हो गया एक बच्चा, हो गया ऐसा, खत्म। अभी कुछ नहीं चाहिए। ओके, नाउ देयर इज अ थर्ड सब हेडिंग। हाँ, विजुअलाइजेशन एक्टिविटी। Let's finish first two subs, then this I'll make you do it. ये जो है I'll make you practice it. Okay, this is, अभी इस पे लिखना शुरू कर दें आप।
Breakfast we start writing on this.
जब दिल चाहे, आज का पूरा दिन है आपके पास।
You can start now also.
हाँ, now also you can start now. Just understand के protect your thoughts, because अगर आप एक दूसरे से कुछ भी ची चा चूँ करेंगे तो आपके जो थॉट्स हैं वो ची चा चूँ पू बन जाएंगे। अच्छा मचा हूँ हो जाएगा ऐसा। तो इसलिए अपनी चींचा चूँ को अलग रखें एक दूसरे से और दूसरे को ना बिगाड़ें खुद के साथ। उसको अपना काम करने दें, आप अपना काम करें। एंड स्पेशली husbands and wives, don't interact with each other. Guys, everyone, just make sure that you give very deep thought about yourself, because I can help you in this, that how you can do it. Remove everyone from this equation, that it's anyone else's fault. Take all the blame that it's your fault, then only you will know. First collect all that what happens to you in your life, and it's all about you. It's your fault only. Then only you can write properly.